He's complaining of them like immediately. He already said you pinched me.
No, I'm done. You're seriously cussing at us. We're giving you a ride to the west side. Are you kidding me? We're here trying to help you.
So all this is low level. Like none of this is a use of force.
The scene unfolds with a rookie cop, still in phase 3 of training, trying to assist a homeless man in Albuquerque, only for it to spiral into chaos. Under New Mexico law, a peace officer may arrest a person when he has reasonable grounds to believe a misdemeanor has been committed in his presence, which initially justifies the officer's intent to intervene. The rookie offers a ride to the West Side shelter, but insists on a pat-down and handcuffs, sparking resistance from the man, who kicks, screams, and climbs onto the patrol car. Unbeknownst to this overeager trainee, monitored by his field training officer, the suspect's later allegations of abuse from the handcuffing trigger an immediate federal investigation. This isn't just a routine stop gone wrong. It's a rookie's blunder about to face FBI scrutiny under a department already on a tight leash.
Hey, police department, I need you to wake up, buddy. Oh, you're going the wrong way, buddy. Careful, that way. Can I pat you down real quick? We can do it. Let's go here.
Let's go. I just want to go. I don't want to be out. It's close. Bro, it's going.
Can we take you somewhere?
The West Side shelter?
You want to go to the West Side shelter? Yeah, we can take you there. Yeah. I still gotta pat you down though, but we gotta step out here first.
God, bro.
You gotta stand up. I gotta pat you down, man. Do you not want to go to the West Side shelter or not?
You gotta go, bro.
If you're gonna act this way, we're not gonna even take you. Why are you acting this way?
Oh, God.
Do not close distance on me. Don't. I will. We can take you to the shelter. Let's take you to the shelter, yeah?
Right, yeah.
Go that way.
Bro. Where?
The patrol car. Don't get in. Wait. Put your hands behind your back. We gotta put you in handcuffs because whenever we transport people, you have to be in handcuffs. Alright, let's leave.
Ow!
You're seriously cussing at us. We're giving you a ride to the west side. Are you kidding me?
He's being aggressive.
No, he's not. You're calling him a bitch and all sorts of shit. We're here trying to help you.
Ow!
Trying to put this.
Stop,
All right.
bro, stop! Oh.
Don't be kicking me. If you do that shit again, I'm gonna take you to the ground. Oh, close the door.
Why?
We're done. Go.
Please don't. Please don't. Please don't.
Get off my car.
No, please.
Get off my car. Get off my freaking car.
I want to go to the West Side
We
shelter.
just tried to take you and you started kicking me.
If I stop, I won't.
No, we gave you 3 chances.
No,
Get off my unit.
It's cold out here, please.
If you don't get off my unit, I'm going to use force to get you off.
Okay, can you please
No.
take me to the West Side shelter?
You just started kicking me when I tried to handcuff you. Get off my unit.
No, you take me to the West Side shelter.
I tried to. You just wouldn't cooperate. We tried to. I explained to you we have to handcuff people first. How was he rude? Because you started kicking us.
You just threw me away.
You literally actually just battered me. That's a felony.
I don't give a f***. You literally threw me on the f***ing hood.
No, he didn't throw you.
I'm slimy, break.
He didn't slam you. No, he didn't. And this is being recorded. No. You're the one tossing and turning and kicking me. I was trying to help you to get you somewhere where it's warm, and you started cussing us out.
You put my hands together and squeezing them all hard.
No, he wasn't.
Yes, he was. How would you know you were doing it?
Because I'm training him. I'm literally watching what he's doing. And you think we want to take you after you're calling us that? I don't have to do anything. I could have just left you there. But I wanted to take you to the West Side shelter. But sitting there kicking me isn't doing anything, is it?
No.
So basically, he wanted to ride to the shelter. We agreed, started kicking and screaming, kicked me.
You need to go to Jitta, so you stay home first. Oh.
So if you're not going to get off my unit again, I'm going to make you. Okay, this is your last chance. Get off my unit.
Oh, you're going to.
Why? Are you going to try and fight with me again?
Yeah, I'm going to swing on your stupid ass.
Would any of you guys be willing to take him to the West Side shelter? So if we take you to the shelter, are you going to act a fool?
No.
Okay, but you have to be handcuffed, and we're not going to put up with no bullshit.
What's your name? Nathan? Nathan?
Yeah.
Can you get off the car, please?
Can you take me to the West Side shelter?
Yeah, but we got to handcuff you.
Alright, go and turn it off first, bro.
Oh my goodness, dude. How many needles do you have in your pocket?
10.
Why?
How many goes in the bag?
Diabetic or what?
Ow.
Hold on. Relax. You want to ride? Okay, relax. I can fit a whole finger in there, dude. Hold on. So stop wiggling around.
Ow. Stop twisting it, dog.
I'm not twisting nothing. Relax. You gotta lock them, okay? So they don't get tighter on you.
Now can we go?
No, not yet. I still have to take all the needles out of your pocket.
Go the fuck out of here, bro.
Alright, we're good.
Hey, don't.
We'll take him out. Did you take a sweet ass time, man? Y'all niggas got all fucking night. I ain't got shit to do. There. That's all the fucking needles. Happy?
Nathan, keep giving attitude and we're not gonna give you a ride. So chill out. I haven't checked the other pockets.
Oh my fucking god. Hurry the hell up. Ow.
I'm not trying to. Better make sure this is not a weapon. Alright.
How can we? It's cold out here.
Let's go, bro. Okay, we can release you.
No, stop.
Then look at me.
Bro, you need to open up the back door, dog. It's cold.
Hey.
Not in charge here, bro.
The Albuquerque Police Department has been under a U.S. Department of Justice Deferred Prosecution Agreement for 9 years, meaning every use of force gets a federal magnifying glass. The agreement stems from a 2014 DOJ finding that APD engaged in a pattern or practice of use of excessive force, mandating oversight and immediate review of incidents like this. When the suspect claims the rookie hurt him during handcuffing, the sergeant reviews body cam footage on site, but it's the feds who swoop in next, analyzing the rookie's every move. His good intentions, transporting a combative suspect to shelter, turn into a liability as the FBI probes whether this newbie crossed a line. A stupid mistake under normal circumstances becomes a federal case when your department's already in the crosshairs.
You're not in charge. You're far from in charge. What did you take, bro? Why are you acting like this? Are you high?
Are you f***ing high?
Well, this pig's giving you a ride.
Sorry, Piglet.
I'm sorry to drag you guys in this, man. No, you're good,
Go, bro. We'll call the West Side Shelter, make sure he's not banned from there.
Hold on, there we go. You need to stop kicking my door. You hear me? Well, stop kicking my door. What's your question?
Can I please get some water?
I don't have water.
Can we go to the West Side Shelter then?
Yes, we're gonna go, but you better not be kicking my car. I told you I was gonna put up with this stuff. I will take you out of the car.
Nathan, what's your last name, dude?
Damn business.
Well, I need to know who you are, bro. If you want us to give you a ride, man, we need to identify you.
After this, the sergeant arrived to review the body cam footage. Subsequently, the FBI agents arrived to investigate the incident.
Sarge's en route. Sarge has to watch my video. Oh. So, sorry.
No, you're good.
Because he accused us, or you, that you were hurting him. You didn't do anything wrong, it's just, we still got a document.
Sarge has to watch his video real quick.
Flying off supervisor can view the video.
I'm live now. I'm gonna have you show me where in the video
It's pretty much.
Is it right away?
Yeah, it's like 5 minutes into it.
Yeah, like once he gets to the car, right, and we put the handcuffs on, he gets all mad, and he starts pulling away right away, and then it just as soon as I grab his fingers, that's when he started complaining. So with these things, even if we didn't do anything wrong, per se, just because he said it hurt, that's why we have to go over it.
Yeah, so basically I gotta come and make sure that any kind of allegation, I just have to make sure that there was nothing like done.
Police department, I need you to wake up, buddy.
It's once we get off the glass, yeah, and he starts walking to the vehicle. There, right here.
Yeah, that should be good.
Hey, it's a f***ing attention, dog.
I'm trying to put you in handcuffs.
Stop f***ing
You know what? No, I'm done. Are you gonna freaking cooperate?
dog.
What do you expect?
Ow!
You're seriously cussing at us. We're giving you a ride to the west side. Are you kidding me?
He's being aggressive.
No, he's not. You're calling him a bitch and all sorts of shit. We're here trying to help you.
Ow!
The sergeant concluded that the rookie officer did not use excessive force, as the suspect's allegations of abuse were unfounded based on the body cam footage showing only standard handcuffing attempts met with resistance, and insisted on proceeding with charges against the suspect for his actions during the encounter. But soon enough, the FBI agents arrives.
Check your cuffs, but no spitting, no kicking.
Hey,
Okay?
please.
Deal?
Yes,
Okay,
right.
hey, act right. Turn to your left.
I can't.
Yes, you can. To your left.
Seatbelt, no, I can't,
Turn to your
dumbass.
left.
Ah!
Hey,
Alright, bro.
relax. We're gonna make sure that they're double locked so that nothing's tightening up on you.
Okay, that's double locked there, okay, bro? So they're not tightening up on you. I need to put your seatbelt on. Come on, just sit up for me, bro. Can you do that for me, man?
Why are you acting like you're 5, bro? Come on.
Guys, I want to go to what the something.
You're throwing a temper tantrum. Come on. Well, then sit up. Act like your age. Prove you're not 5. Just leave it.
You're going to jail, bro.
Yeah, you're going to jail. You're not going to the West Side Shelter. Hey, Nathan, let's get out, buddy.
Go and step out for me, bro.
Come on, Nathan.
Step out for me.
There you go.
Or,
Attaboy. Let's go.
what did I do?
Step out.
Just get out.
What did I do?
Listen, bro. Well, we'll explain everything in a second, okay? So we need you to step out. Step to the left and face the car. Face the car.
Whoa, chill out, dog. Ah, my
Hold on,
feet,
hold on,
dog.
hold
Get
on.
off my feet.
Hold on.
Why you putting those on?
Because you were kicking, bro.
Like, can I take a piss somewhere?
No, unfortunately not, bro.
Through this, right?
Ow! Ow!
What got you so upset, man?
Hey.
Captain,
Take a breath.
have a seat back in the car for us,
Get
bro.
back in the car.
Ow!
Go ahead and get back in the car. Okay.
Have a seat in the
It's
car.
cool. Just get in.
Put your feet in, bro. Put your feet in. We're gonna help you get in, okay?
There you go.
Hello.
Good morning. How are you?
Is it good morning?
It is. What was the date of the incident?
Yesterday. I believe it's the 15th. Yeah, 15th. See, I said it. Oh, 20 minutes for my shift was ending. Oh, actually, it would have been 10 minutes,
You almost made it.
but I didn't. He complained of injuries if they just touched him.
Okay.
So you're gonna have a complaint of injury throughout the whole interaction.
Okay, kind of tell me what happened.
I was contacted to a bunch of complaint of injuries. Watched the video. During the video, they're attempting to get him in handcuffs because he wants a ride to the shelter. So they're like, cool, we got to put you in handcuffs. You go to put him in handcuffs. As soon as he touches the handcuffs, screaming. So they take him off. I'm like, dude, this is the only way you can go in the cop car. So they put him again on. Complains of injury again. And then that's when he starts kicking them. And
Outside
then
the vehicle.
outside the vehicle. So he kicks them. They're taking the handcuffs off. As he's kicking, he's pulling away at the same time.
Never touched the ground.
No, because that would have made it a takedown if that was that. Well, do you want to watch the video?
Oh yeah, if you have the cameras with you, are they?
Yeah, they're here. He's complaining of them like immediately. He already said you pinched me.
No, I'm done. You're seriously cussing at us. We're giving you a ride to the West Side. Are you kidding me? We're here trying to help you.
So all this is low level. Like none of this is a use of force.
What starts as a simple offer to help escalates into a comedy of errors, with the rookie doubling down on handcuffing a suspect who's more tantrum than threat. New Mexico statute 30-3-2 states, battery upon a peace officer is the unlawful intentional touching or application of force to the person of a peace officer while he is in the lawful discharge of his duties, which the suspect violates by kicking the officer. Yet, the rookie's insistence on cuffs, despite the man's pleas and minimal danger, paints him as clueless rather than cruel. Perfect fodder for the feds to question his judgment. The body cam captures it all: the suspect's defiance, the rookie's frustration, and a sergeant left shaking his head. The FBI doesn't see a hero. They see a trainee who turned a helping hand into a federal headache.
So basically after this, they let him go. He climbs on top of the car. And then the other officers come. And then they go to get him in handcuffs. And he's doing the same thing all over again. Ow, you're hurting my arm.
The officers did not use
No force at all.
or anything. But every time they put him on, ow.
Ow, ow, every single time.
You guys, none of you were present for the course, right?
No.
Neither one of you? No. Well, I guess to be clear with Sarge, good to go.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Ow, chill, bro.
Step out.
Chill.
Step out for us, bro.
Step out.
Chill.
You're not gonna do that.
Come on.
I'm trying to pull up my pants, dog.
Well, we'll help you.
Well, give me a f***ing second.
Go right. Go to the right.
You're going to get the f***ing water, he said, bro.
No, not with the way you're acting, bro.
Ow.
Stop. Cut it out.
Give me some f***ing water, dude. You said, bro.
What's that? Give me a surgeon. Yeah. Okay. It's gonna stand up. Stand up.
Why?
Stand up.
So, I want the f***ing water first.
Just do it like you would a pro surgeon.
No, I want the f***ing water first. I want the f***ing water first. I
Stop.
want the water first, dog.
Stop. You're not gonna bite, bro. Nope.
Well, there's a f***ing
Not
water.
gonna bite you. Nope.
There's a f***ing
Not
water.
with the way that you're acting, bro. That's not how this works. Sit up on the bench,
There's
bro.
a f***ing water, dude. Oh, God, there's a water. Ow! 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 Can I get some water?
Thank you.
After the dust settles, the sergeant and feds review the footage, finding no abuse, just a rookie caught in a suspect's chaos. New Mexico law allows reasonable and necessary force to effect an arrest under Statute 31-1-7, clearing the officer of wrongdoing since the handcuffing was standard protocol gone awry. The suspect, charged with battery on a peace officer, disorderly conduct, and concealing identity, heads to jail. The rookie, despite his stumble, completes training and joins APD full-time, unscathed by the FBI's probe. It's a tale of a dumb move magnified by federal eyes. But in the end, the stupid cop lives to patrol another day. Hopefully wiser, if not smarter. Like and subscribe for more police cam stories. Watch the next recommended video click to watch now.